Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's Tita Barbie here again. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and like and click the bell button so that you will be notified for more videos. If you have any comments or suggestions, just write it down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Today, I am going to show you how to make butterscotch. And this butterscotch bars is very easy to do. And since we are now in July, by December, it's easy. You can give this to your friends as a gift. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to do the butterscotch bars. Okay. These are my ingredients. I've got 1 cup of white flour, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or any peanuts will do, 1 cup of brown sugar, 2 slightly beaten eggs, and 1 cup of butter, melted butter. So before we proceed, our melted butter, we have to put the brown sugar, and then we'll have to mix it thoroughly and let it cool down before we add the egg. So we'll wait until it will cool down. Don't add the egg yet because it's too hot. We don't want any omelette egg, so leave it for a while, set aside, and then we're gonna add all our dry ingredients: the salt, the baking powder, and our chopped walnuts. And you have to mix them. So our melted butter is cooled down now, so we're gonna add our egg, 2 slightly beaten eggs. Then we're gonna add our teaspoon vanilla extract. Then we're gonna add that to the dry ingredients. Then just mix thoroughly and that's it. Just don't overmix it, but once they're all incorporated, then that's it. We can put that in a baking pan. It's best to use a pan which is a square so that when you slice into a bars, it's easy. But at the minute, I have no square pan, so I'm using the round cake pan, so still alright. And this is really good for gifts, especially Christmas. And this is popular in the Philippines, guys, so especially in Iloilo and Bacolod area, this is their pasalubong. So the butterscotch. So we're gonna put this into the oven. That's it. We're just gonna top this and clean the sides. Now I put this into the oven at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 to 35 minutes. So make sure you check because we have different oven. And I've already checked that. So, and it's all cooked. It's so yummy. So try this one, guys. And it's easy, very easy to do. Then you can just slice it. It's best if your baking pan is a square one. So you can slice that, or you can put that into a muffin papers, or you can wrap that with any nice wrappers, and then you can give that as a gift to your friends. And then I'm gonna taste it. And that's it. So yummy, and it's very nice smell. Ooh, so yummy. So try this one, guys, and there you go. Thank you, and hope you like it. God bless. Till next time. Bye.